In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit page content in a drag and drop area in Hubspot. This skill is incredibly useful whether you're sprucing up a landing page or just ensuring all your brand elements are in place. Let's dive right in and make sure you feel comfortable navigating these editing features by the end of our session. To start, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot homepage, visit w.hubspot.com, and once you're there, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Clicking this will bring you to the page where you can enter your credentials. Remember to keep your login details handy for easy access. HubSpot is designed to manage your business tools effectively, so having these set up is crucial. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the HubSpot home. This is the central hub where you can access all the different functionalities HubSpot offers. The next step is to locate the marketing section, which is extremely important as this is where a lot of your content actions will begin. Click on the marketing tab. This will open up a wide range of options that HubSpot provides for managing your campaigns and content strategies effectively. Now that you're in the marketing section, find the landing pages option. Click on it to view all your current landing pages. Selecting the right page is crucial to ensuring your content aligns with the ongoing campaigns or initiatives your business is running. Once the landing pages are displayed, look through and select the specific page you want to revise or modify. This could be a particular campaign page you are focused on optimizing, or a general landing page that needs updates. After you have selected your page, the next step is to click on the content area. This is where the magic happens. HubSpot's intuitive drag and drop interface allows you to make changes easily without needing a deep technical background. You'll notice different content blocks available which you can click and modify directly. Perhaps you're adding a new text section, tweaking images, or embedding videos to make your page more dynamic. As a tip, while you're making changes, periodically save your work. HubSpot does an excellent job auto-saving, but it's always good to hit that save button, which ensures all your edits are preserved in real time. Once you're satisfied with the changes, preview the page to see how it looks both on desktop and mobile. The responsiveness of your site is vital for engaging visitors on various devices. So there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive overview on how to edit page content using HubSpot's drag and drop tools. With these steps, all HubSpot users can make meaningful updates to their landing pages efficiently. Thanks for watching, and remember to practice these steps often to become even more proficient with HubSpot's editing capabilities.